A great resume is essential for any job search, but when you're in the C-suite, even the smallest mistake could send the company in another direction. So how do you showcase your wealth of knowledge, skills, and experience when looking for your next executive position? I'm here to help. I'm Amanda Augustine, a hiring expert with nearly 20 years of experience, and in this video, I'll walk you through my top pieces of advice when it comes to creating a resume for senior level executives. An executive resume differs from regular resumes in a few different ways. Executive resumes should focus more on strategy by showing your leadership skills and how you have created a clear vision for success in previous roles. For executive resumes, measurable achievements are no longer a nice to have. They're mandatory to show how you've contributed to growth in your last positions and how you will be doing the same moving forward. Make sure you collect your most impressive metrics before sitting down to write your resume. This could be the size of your team or budgets, impressive projects, or revenue growth. As an executive, your vision, leadership, and decision-making skills are crucial. You'll want to put all of your skills and experience within the context of the industry you work and show a deep understanding of market trends and challenges. You can also discuss how you've overcome obstacles and found solutions to lead your company forward. Beyond internal accomplishments, executives should also consider their impact on their company's global positioning and the impact on the industry as a whole. When it comes to your resume format, executives have no room for error. Choose a layout that aligns with your industry and the company you're applying to, while making sure to keep a sense of professionalism in all of your design choices. To make sure your resume is in top shape, you can submit it for a free review by Top Resume's expert team specializing in executive resumes and get specific feedback on where to improve. Find it in the link below. I'm Amanda for Top Resume. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel to stay up to date with our latest resume tips and career advice. See you soon.